Does health insurance in Massachusetts cover your injuries, cover the bills for your injuries in an automobile accident case or other type of case where you've been injured? Good afternoon. I'm Neil Burns. I'm an attorney. My firm here, Burns and Jain at 6 Beacon Street, is where I practiced law since 1987. And I'm going to talk this afternoon about medical insurance in Massachusetts and how it relates to injuries or injury law. It's more complicated than it should be, but it is pretty good. It's a pretty good system. Number one, if you've been injured in a car accident, get medical attention. We have great doctors, great hospitals here in Massachusetts. Get the medical attention you need, get the medical attention you deserve. Next, your insurance policy, if it's a car accident case, even if it's a pedestrian or a bicycle case, PIP insurance should kick in. That's no-fault insurance. That's $8,000 worth of insurance. That insurance will pay up to $8,000, no fault, regardless of who's at fault, and your medical insurance doesn't even get touched. After that, there is a lot of provisions that kick in. First of all, after the first $2,000 of that $8,000, if you have insurance, then it kicks over to that. If your insurance doesn't cover it, it kicks back to the $8,000. But after that $2,000 or $8,000, whichever threshold you hit, you go to your insurance coverage, and your insurance will pay for whatever they would have paid had you been injured when someone else wasn't at fault. It's really good insurance here in Massachusetts. However, there is something you should know about this coverage. Let's say your insurance bill is $20,000. Now, your medical bills might be $40,000 or $30,000, but the insurance company paid out $20,000. If you were not injured because of someone else's fault, but injured just being injured, then insurance pays and you pay whatever deductible there is. If you are injured because of someone else's fault and you have a personal injury claim, you come to a lawyer like Burns and Jain, and we say you have a claim and we go after them for pain and suffering. We will also get you money for your insurance lien. They have a lien on your case that covers Medicare, Medicaid, Mass Health, and almost all insurance plans. Don't worry about this lien. First of all, if you don't settle your case, the lien is against nothing. Second of all, if you do settle your case, we work it out. Sometimes it's negotiated, sometimes it isn't. But regardless, the lien gets paid and your medical insurance company gets taken care of. We have cases in legal malpractice where that doesn't happen because a lawyer tried to settle a case quickly and then didn't pay attention to the lien, and there's a problem there. But 99 times out of 100, that gets dealt with. So there's medical insurance on top of your PIP insurance, and there's sometimes folks even have MedPay insurance attached to their car insurance program. So it's a good program here in Massachusetts. If you've been injured, call attorneys who know how to deal with this system. Again, there's PIP, the $2,000 threshold, the $8,000 threshold, then there's MedPay, then there's regular insurance, but they have a lien. Call Burns and Jain if you have a question. If you've been injured, call Burns and Jain. It's a free initial consultation, 617-227-7423. Thank you.